Hello YouTube, this is Sonic2KK here, and in this tutorial for Love2d, tutorial 12, I believe, we are going to start work on audio for our game. So, let's have a look at our game so far. Pretty good, isn't it? Like, don't you agree? It's pretty good, but there's no audio. Like, I have my sound up, there's no audio at all. You know, that's a problem. Right there, that's something that in our game needs to be fixed. But luckily, Love2d has audio capabilities. Yes, it does. So you can play audio from Love2d and have your game having multiple sound effects, and it will be uber awesome, and your game is going to be like super cool because it has audio. Yeah. So let's get started on it. Now, I will say this. I am not very creative when it comes to creating music, so I had to go on to OpenGameArt and get some music. This site, opengameart.org, it is brilliant if you're making some open source games. As long as you have the right credit, I assume the people are okay with it. Here is the credit for the coin sound that I have for collecting the little square. This is for the menu rollover. Give this person credit. Then that Samak, I don't know. Please credit me as Joseph Gilbert slash Kistel. Yes, okay. You get credit. Just credits. Would be thankful for link to my SoundCloud instead of name. http://soundcloud.com/rezoner. That's where you need to go, bros. And this person, Circle Run. He created the playing music that we're gonna have in our game. Yeah, so it should be good. It should be good fun making this. So I also want to say this. I updated our to-do list for. Hold on. I updated our game to-do list. I removed the camera and I added music and sound effects, which we are going to get done in this tutorial. And I put done beside custom fonts. Switching animation, that is done as well. Multiple food, working on it. And this will probably be the next tutorial. This will be very soon. These two will probably be in the same tutorial, if not in the same tutorials. Because they both involve menus. So, in this tutorial we're getting on to loading our audio. So, to load an audio file, what you do is you type video your audio. Ours is going to be playing BGM equals love.audio.new source sfx slash, what do I call it, playing BGM dot, what was it, dot mp3, and this is important. I need to discuss something with you. Right, so this loads a new this says love.audio new source. It makes a new audio source and it returns the audio source, so we can store it in this variable. Now you should know what this is. This is just the file handle for how to get to the file. Pretty standard, like we do with images and stuff, or like files down here. But whoa, what's this? This here. You may get confused by this. Well, this is how you want to load it. If you, by default, it loads as static, and static is where it loads the sound into memory. Stream is where it streams it from the source. And basically, if you have long audio sources, then you stream. If you have like a 5-second bullet shoot sound, then you're gonna have a static one, like our coin sound that will be loaded in as static, but this audio source is going to be streamed. Kind of like streaming a YouTube video. You wouldn't want to load that video into your computer memory, would you? Yeah. And BGM equals love.audio.new source SFX slash, and usually your music is MP3 or OGG, whereas your sound effects are WAV files, so coin1.wav. WAV. And even though it is by default static, I'm just going to specify static, just so I know. Yeah, so that is for when you collect a coin. Collect coin BGM. Yeah, pretty standard. So, this is all well and good, but the music here, we want it to loop, don't we? I thought we wanted it to loop. So, what we need to do down here, we need to say play in BGM. You just press Control Spacebar. If you use Eclipse, then you'll pretty much get used to doing that to get up the menu and stuff. So BGM set looping, just the name of your source, set looping, true. I'm pissed off you. Too much Java for me. But basically what this says is the play, right, so /love, get the playing BGM sound and use the function set looping to whatever we put in here. We put in true, so you want the audio to loop. So whenever it gets to the end, we'll play back. And then in here, you don't want to call it in here because it'll keep playing it and playing it and playing it. And that's bad. So, playing BGM play. And this should play the audio source. Yo! That's awesome! There's some other functions in this, like, let's go up here. BGM set volume. Set volume, and we can set it to like 0.01. It's virtually not playing. We can set it to 100. Yep, it's awesome. I'm gonna set it to 0.35. I think it'd be good. Yep, it's pretty good. I'm pretty sure ScreenFlow is recording computer audio, so you should be able to hear it alright. Yeah. So what about our sound effect that we have? We have it loaded into memory, so why can't we play it? Well, we need to go into food.lua and we want to say, what was it called? Coin BG. Did I spell it wrong or something? Oh, collect coin. Coin BGM. No, I'm just gonna copy it because I'm lazy. Don't be lazy though. Lazy is bad. Play. Yep, played. Oh, it didn't play anymore. That's strange. Let's try that. Oh, collect coin BGM. That's a weird noise that it makes. Food, respawn, and then collect coin BGM. Stop. Maybe. Copy it in the food respawn. No. I wonder if there's a method to hold on, be right back. I can't find a way to fix this, but I think I might know a different way to handle this situation. And that will be by using a library, because I had this problem before and I asked in a lot of forums and nobody could help me. They just said, it shouldn't happen. Check for white noise at the end of the song. But if we listen, absolutely no white noise. See? No white noise at all. So there's a problem here. We can figure out what it is. So what we're going to have to stick with is hearing a little click instead of the actual noise for now. But we should be fixing it in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next tutorial.